Camera on. Very long, fast, medium right, 40, very short, medium left. And very long, and long, fast, medium right, tightens, medium right, and K left in. Then 60. Crest and 80 tar. Turn tight hairpin left around bales. We've got a fast right into flat crest, then 100. Easy left 80. Fast medium left and fast medium left over crest, 40. Then easy left over crest, 200. Turn square right up bale onto gravel, then 60. That was good. Fast left and easy left through gate. Very short medium right, then 400 up mid. Can't see a fucking thing. Keep going. When we get to the end, we got a very short medium right into fast right. That's it. Fast medium left, then 60 over crest. Long fast medium right, and 80. Caution, late medium left, 20 is your late medium left, 20, and turn medium right in. Medium left, then medium right in. Then a medium left, 60, small flat crest into 60 and crest bumps, then flat crest bumps, then easy right up over mud, very rough to tar. You've got a very long fast right over crest bump, then a caution short medium left over loose, so short medium left over loose here, and a fast right over crest, then a 130 over rough. Fast right into mid crest, 150 through gate. Turn to square left around bale and tar, square left around bale and tar. Fast left. Then easy right, easy left over dip. Flat crest and care crest into fast medium right 300. Your fast medium right 300. Turn square right bale inside, square right bale inside, then a medium right through gate and gravel. Whoa, medium right through gate gravel, fast left 60. Got a crest 40 and a left medium left and a late medium left and then 40. Fast medium right and fast medium right up. Easy right then fast left, only 40, then caution sudden K left. Just sudden K left, then 60 down. Long medium right, don't cut, 60 slippy. Short K left and medium right up, put your wipers on. Short K left, medium right up. 250 over dip. At the top, fast left in, then 150 over crest. Care fast medium right in past junction and fast medium left in, then 60. You've got a long fast left, we're going into the bowl, long fast left and caution, fast medium left continues for 130, braking, then K left. And turn hairpin left, narrows, oh turn tight hairpin right, hairpin left, sorry, yes, I've got lost myself, I can't believe that, 40 and a tight hairpin right and down, hey. You've got a crest, grass, very long, fast, medium right, keep out, then 200 down mid, over grass. Easy right, only 40, turn medium right, then 230 up mid. This is your medium right, 230 up mid. Flat crest at top, then fast left, 60, easy right. Then 200 up mid is your easy right, 200 up mid. At the top, late medium right in, slippy, then 60, fast medium left over crest. 60, fast medium left over crest. Narrows 80. Then turn unseen, K right, unseen, K right. There's your hole as well, don't look too bad. Then K right, slippy. 130. Late fast left, don't cut, 80. Crest into slow easy right and turn tight hairpin left and up, tight hairpin left and up. Easy right into long flat crest, 60. Fast medium right slippy. Then 80 slippy, short medium right and medium left, so medium right, medium left, then right on flat crest, and a slow fast left into crest, turn square right, don't cut, turn square right, don't cut.
It's a horrible little bastard.
Fast medium left over rough, 100, this is very rough. Very short, medium right, don't cut, 150 over rough. At the end, turn tight hairpin right up, over rough again, tight hairpin right, 400 now. This is where we got flat to finish. So keep, yeah, 400 this is. Put your wipers on and just leave them. Right on flat crest, keep going. 40, easy left 80, easy left 60, small crest 130. You've got a fast medium left slippy 40, fast medium right in over crest 60. Then a crest easy left and a fast medium left finish. You've got a fast medium left finish here. That's it.